What's up, everyone? Here we are in Miami. It's cruise day. We're going to be going over to these cruise ships all the way over here. I don't know which one's ours. One of these ones. We're gonna be boarding. It's our embarkation day, so we're gonna be exploring the ship, doing all of that in this video, so stay tuned for that. This is a huge ship, guys, compared to the last one. I would say it's like double the size. Oh. What's up, guys? Here we are at Playmakers on Symphony of the Seas, giving you guys a quick little look of what's going on here. We just boarded the ship. It's our embarkation day, so it's not too packed right now, but it's probably gonna get popping off later. I'll show you guys a couple of the drinks that I'm gonna be getting throughout the cruise, and also just a couple more clips that I'll be getting throughout the cruise. Just got the Gold Coast margarita for my first drink. It's got some jalapenos in it, just the right amount. Nice and spicy, but nice and sweet at the same time. Ooh-wee. Oh yeah. Let's check it out. Walking in straight up. What's up, everyone? Here to the left. Bathroom. Real nice. Nice shower. Bed. TV. Come out here, we got the workspace. Some storage. And the balcony view of the boardwalk. What's up, guys? We just set sail here in Miami on Chris's phone because the GoPro is doing some weird update, powering off, so we are on the iPhone right now. Just barely set sail about like 20 minutes ago. Just try to record another segment with the GoPro. If that did come in, I'll put it right here, right now. What's up, guys? We just set sail, as you can see. We're still here in the port of Miami, but just barely set sail. It's gonna be a fun one. We have 2 sea days to do as much as we. Hope you guys did enjoy that quick clip that I did maybe put in. If not, you just saw some weird stuff of me trying to edit around, but we just did set sail. We have 2 sea days to do all the activities on the ship that we can do. Then we have our ports coming up next. I'm pretty sure our hotel was like right over here if you guys come. Barely can maybe see. It's a wee batting, but right here was our hotels. Pretty sure it's like you can kind of barely see. I think it's that one, but that's pretty cool. We're flipping the ship around and then we're going out to sea. Should be a blast. We're about to go catch some dinner. Catch you guys later. Well, guys, that should do it for today's video. It's a wrap on the embarkation day here. Leaving Port Miami. Off to open.